out here at SGV News First, Lancaster, California. We're out here going to be doing some cop watching. And guess what we got in front of us? So they're at the Motel 6. We pulled in. They were pulling out. They were eyeballing, so. Oh, look at them. So, yep, you guys seen that. Right through the yellow. They had enough time to stop, too. SGV was, you know, flashing the high beams on them real quick.
Well, it was for safety for the other cars so they didn't fucking hit that stupid fuck.
There you go. They're gonna be right on the side of us now.
151 Tom 3, advising that a 503 occurred approximately 45 minutes ago from 4843 Grape Street in the city of Pico Rivera.
Is that a sticker they got on the back window? What does that sticker say?
Is a 1996 white Honda Civic with a black hood and black rims.
It's probably gonna be making a left at the light.
Vehicle license plate number is gonna be 3 Robert Tom
Yep.
Sam.
Any questions or information for Pico or 151 Tom?
Look at no signal again, guys.
Channel clear.
Look at this character. Look, get up there a little bit that way. Show everybody. Look at this.
Correction 2606.
No signal.
Palmdale Boulevard. Red Toyota disabled in eastbound lane. AAA tow ETA 20 minutes. Time 231.
Hey, what is on their back window? What does it say?
I don't know.
Kind of hard for me to see it right now.
750
SUV got a dirty ass windshield. Looks like it says 8811GS. It's a sticker. Alright guys. So we passed by this area, 7-Eleven, about what, 10-15 minutes ago, and this cop is still sitting. He's still sitting right here, not doing no type of work at all. You on break? Sergeant? Sergeant? You on break? You on break? Yeah. Oh, you having coffee, so you're on a break? Hey, a couple of your deputies, man, they had no signals on in the turning lane.
Just run southbound through the property of 1434.
Thank you. He's been sitting here for over, what, 15 minutes? On a coffee break. He said, I'm not on a break. Just having a cup of coffee. Come on now. All right, guys, Ghetto Bird is up. They got him right over there. Here, stop right here. Stop right here. All right, they got him. All right, guys. They got somebody gaffled up over here. It was a 1 minute or less call. I'm gonna use my phone to record this. I didn't have time to grab my camera. Man, that's one of my boys. I know him, man. Fucking cops fucking with them. Yep, fuck them. Yo, always film them, dog. That way they don't be fucking with people, bro. Yep. All right, guys. So I guess he was involved with the little fender bender. What do you notice wrong about this picture? Over a car accident, they got the ghetto bird up. They have him in handcuffs, patting him down, checking him for weapons and everything else over a fender bender. Even though he has his L's, his license, he has his registration, tags are up to date, but yet, check him out. They still got him gaffled up in handcuffs. Why is that? Can somebody say profiling? I got you. Man, I haven't seen this guy in a long time, man. He actually came out in a prison documentary a while back ago. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut that video there. Nothing else really happened right there at all. They released him. But my thing is this. Why is it necessary to use and waste all those resources over someone involved in a fender bender? I mean, the call that came over the radio was a code 3, 1 minute or less. And they got that ghetto bird up quick. Was it really, truly over a fender bender? Or is there another agenda? You know, they straight up profiling the guy still, man. You know, we have all made mistakes in our life. There's not one perfect person out there who hasn't made not one mistake in their whole life. I mean, how much longer does your past mistakes follow you to the point where a fender bender, the cops get him out, surround him, you've seen it, but yet we have a cop here in front of us with no blinker on. Can we pull him over? Can we surround them? Can we pull them out of the car? Can we put handcuffs on them? Pat them down, check their pockets, sit them on a curb, treat them like a dog? Yeah, I don't think so. But this is where our tax money is going, guys. It's going to guys like this guy here, who doesn't want to follow the law and turn on his damn blinker. So if he can't follow something as simple as turn on a blinker, you can only imagine what else he's breaking. What other type of laws this guy is breaking. Character, look at him. And then we got the guy at 7-Eleven. You on break?
Now I am break.
Yeah.
I'm not on a break and I have a cup of coffee.
Oh, you have a copy, so you're on a break? Hey, a couple of your deputies, man, they had no signals on in the turning lane. Look at this. He doesn't care. He doesn't care one bit. Matter of fact, he played the let me ignore you game. I don't want to hear nothing about my deputies. I don't care if they break the law. Let me sit here and pretend like I'm about to go on a call. When this dude has been sitting there for over 15 minutes, almost 20 minutes, just sitting there, yet he's talking about he's not on a break. Come on, guys. When is this going to stop? This hypocrisy. When's it going to stop? I strongly suggest that every last person with a camera, every phone has a camera on it now. I strongly suggest that whenever you see a cop and he has someone pulled over, just take 5 minutes out of your life to get out of the vehicle and record that person. Just point the camera at him and keep it rolling. You don't know whose life you can save by pointing that camera at these deputies or the PD while they're out there harassing and collecting. Like this next video I'm going to post up of a homeless man on the ground minding his own business. But yet those first two deputies that were over there, they sound like they were acting a little hostile towards that guy. And then they seen the cameras rolling. And then it went to, can we help you, sir? We want to get you help, sir. We're going to call an ambulance for you, sir. So guys, whoever's watching this video, please point that camera at them. It's your First Amendment right to do so. Hold them accountable for their actions. And maybe by doing this, there'll be less killings, kidnappings, and extortion by the cops. This is AV Watchman, and I'm going to sign out. Thank you guys for watching. Much love and respect to each and every one of you guys, and I'm out.